Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into Block's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Block's performance and their strategic initiatives for the year.
Let's get started with an overview of Block's Q1 2025 performance. What are the key highlights from this report?
Block reported a gross profit of $2.29 billion, which is a 9% increase year over year. However, this growth was below their expectations, primarily due to softer inflows in Cash App card spend. Despite this, they achieved a record adjusted operating income of $466 million, up 28% year over year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Block reported a gross profit of $2.29 billion for Q1 2025, which is a 9% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. While the gross profit saw a modest increase, it was below Block's expectations. The growth was primarily driven by Cash App Borrow, Cash App Card, and BNPL. However, changes in consumer spending patterns impacted their forecast, leading to softer inflows and Cash App Card spend.
Despite the challenges, Block achieved a record adjusted operating income of $466 million. What contributed to this strong performance?
The increase in adjusted operating income, which grew 28% year over year, was due to Block's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments in their product offerings. They have been rolling out new features and expanding their Cash App Borrow service, which has positively impacted their profitability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 48 cents for Block based on a survey of 8 analysts. How did Block perform in terms of earnings per share?
Block exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of 56 cents, beating the forecast by 0.08 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their effective cost management and strategic initiatives, despite the challenges in revenue growth.
What does this EPS beat indicate about Block's financial health and market position?
The EPS beat indicates that Block is managing its operations efficiently and is able to deliver strong profitability even when revenue growth is not as robust as expected. It reflects positively on their ability to navigate a dynamic macro environment and maintain investor confidence.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Block has been rolling out several strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their plans for Cash App and Square?
Block is expanding Cash App Borrow after receiving FDIC approval to offer consumer loans nationwide. They're also increasing marketing spend by 50% in Q2 to drive growth. Additionally, Square is set to launch over 100 new products and features in May, which should enhance their market position.
How do these initiatives align with Block's future growth outlook?
These initiatives are crucial for Block's strategy to accelerate growth in the second half of 2025. By expanding their product offerings and increasing customer engagement, Block aims to drive significant top-line growth, particularly in Cash App and Square, as they capitalize on their ecosystem's strengths.
Key takeaways. In summary, Block has delivered a solid performance in Q1 2025 with a strong adjusted EPS and strategic initiatives set to drive future growth. John, any final thoughts on Block's investment prospects?
Block's focus on expanding their product offerings and increasing customer engagement positions them well for future growth. While they face challenges in revenue growth, their operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives make them a compelling investment opportunity.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Block's performance in the comments below.